Playtime, that's nice.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Gary.
You okay in there, SpongeBob?
Oh, morning, SpongeBob. Morning, Squidward. Achoo!
Oh, my. Having a little sneezing fit, are we?
Yeah, I think you were right. I must be allergic to my house.
Oh, that's too bad. I guess you'll have to move.
Move?
Yes, you can't stay here, or your allergy will just get worse. Hey, look at that.
Look at what?
See? Your allergy is already getting worse.
But where will I go?
Don't worry, SpongeBob. I'll help you find a great new home. Far away from here.
But Squidward, I love this old pineapple. We've had a lot of good times together. Oh, Squidward, my sneezing's getting worse. I'll miss my pineapple, but I guess you're right. I have to move.
Now you're talking. Trust me, you'll feel so much better when you're clear of me. Your pineapple.
Squidward, you're a good friend.
I know. This would make a great new house. What do you think?
Oh! Who lives in a banana under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
I don't know.
How about this spicy number?
Oh! Who lives in a hot pepper under the sea?
Hot listing, but no.
Well, there's a yummy one.
Oh! Who lives in a chicken parmesan hero under the sea?
Nope.
How about this one?
Not bad, but let's think outside the box.
Okay, so that's a no. I think I know what you're looking for. How about this for space?
Hey, what's this lever do? Automatic balconies! Squidward, watch this!
Wait, no.
Hey, Squidward, this is great! What does this button do? That's what it does. Oh, why couldn't I live in that last place?
Oh, that house was too dangerous for you. Oh. Besides, it was just a house. But this is a castle with a moat and everything.
It's a long way from Bikini Bottom.
I know.
Huh?
I mean, don't worry about it. It's a short 11-hour commute to the Krusty Krab from here.
I don't know, Squidward. It doesn't seem like the safest neighborhood.